If you open Notion looking for a new folder button, stop looking. It does not exist, and that turns out to be a good thing. This is the first lesson in a 5-part Notion tutorial for beginners. In the next few minutes, I will show you how Notion is organized. We will build your first dashboard from scratch, and I will teach you the single keyboard trick that keeps your hands on the keyboard and your workflow moving. If you haven't, sign up for an account on Notion. Then sign up or sign in. I'm using a free version for personal use. Start by looking at the sidebar on the left. This is your central navigation hub. Unlike your computer, which uses folders, Notion uses nested pages. That simple hierarchy, visible in the sidebar, is how you build wikis, dashboards, or anything that needs structure. One quick note for free users. If you want a genuinely unlimited workspace, keep it solo. Adding another member limits you to 1,000 blocks. So if you want free and free forever, keep it to yourself for now. Okay, let us build. First, create a new page. Click the Create Page sign or the Add New button in the sidebar. Select an empty page. Name the page My First Hub, which will be the top-level page we work from. Treat this as your home base, where other pages will live under it. Now, click into the empty page and start typing. Here is the core idea to hold on to. Everything inside a Notion page is a block. Blocks are the Lego pieces you use to assemble a page. A paragraph is a block, a heading is a block, a list item is a block. So begin with a short introduction paragraph directly on the page. Just type like you would in any document. Next, learn the thing that will save you time, the slash command. Press Enter to start a new line, then type a /. That opens a command menu where you can insert almost any type of block. For a medium-sized heading, type /H2, press Enter, and you will get a heading block. Type the word Goals as your heading. It helps keep the page readable and scannable. Under Goals, add a list, hit Enter, type a /bullet, press Enter, and start typing your first item. Press Enter again, and Notion will give you the next bullet automatically. It feels smooth and quick. Use this for simple notes, meeting points, or anything you want to list out. Hovering at the left side of any block shows you a draggable pane. Finally, make part of the page actionable by adding a checklist. Type /to-do and press Enter to create a to-do block. Add a task, and when you complete it, just click the checkbox to mark it done. If you want to follow along, open Notion now and create My First Hub. Try the / commands I mentioned, and in the next video, I will show how to move around your workspace in seconds. Take a moment to look at what you built. You created a top-level page in the sidebar, added text, a heading, a bullet list, and a to-do. Most importantly, you used the block system and the / command to build without touching menus, which keeps your hands on the keyboard and your flow uninterrupted. You do not need complex templates yet. Master these building blocks first, and everything else gets easier. For the next lesson, we will make navigation effortless. In the following video, I will show you the quick find shortcut, a keyboard command that lets you jump to any page instantly, no matter how deeply it is nested. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.